back to In the Kitchen with Grace. Today I am making a fun, semi-healthy apple dip recipe. I call it semi-healthy because we're adding in a little bit of sweet stuff, but I'm also limiting the amount of sugar we're putting in this dip, and I'm going to be adding some Greek yogurt to boost the amount of protein in it as well. We're going to pair this with apple slices. You could actually have this with all sorts of fruit. Our kids love it, so it's just kind of something fun and light, and it's a great way to encourage your picky eaters to eat their fruit. So for this recipe, I'll put all the ingredients and directions in the description below. I'm going to start with 1 whole box of cream cheese. And I have let this cream cheese soften up to kind of room temperature. Makes it a little bit easier to blend with the hand mixer. This is a recipe, I'm usually a mix by hand person, but this is a recipe you really want to mix it together well. So I do get out the hand mixer. And then we are going to add in about 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 1, 2. I love recipes that you can kind of just eyeball a little bit. And I'm going to add in some Greek yogurt. I really like the honey vanilla kind. Use whatever flavor you want. I feel like you could use like a lemon or a peach or a strawberry yogurt. I feel like it adds a natural sweetness while adding in that protein and other healthy stuff that's in the yogurt. So I am going to do about 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. And then I feel like a lot of the recipes that I found for apple dips, they have so much extra sugar in them. So I try to minimize it in this recipe. Feel free to adjust the amounts of sugar based on what you want to do, but I add in an 1/8 cup of white sugar and an 1/8 cup of brown sugar. If you're looking for some other healthy like side dish snack recipes, I have got a handful of fruit salads like mango and feta, honey lime fruit. Great way to, again, get your kids eating that healthy fruit. All right, we're gonna mix this together, and then I'm gonna put it in the bowl and drizzle the caramel sauce on top. So it is blended together very nicely. I'm gonna grab my little serving bowl, and we're going to go ahead and scrape this in. This is a great little appetizer for get-togethers and potlucks, game day. A little bit of an alternative to all the junk food, total junk food. Let's face it, I'm a real mom. We go semi-healthy in our house. We enjoy the good stuff too. I'm actually going to use another teaspoon here. I'm using Smucker's caramel sauce. Use whatever kind of caramel sauce you want. This one's a little bit more liquidy, not quite as thick, which works really nice to kind of drizzle on top. All right, we're all ready for our caramel apple and dip snack. This is so tasty. The kids love it. I hope you all enjoy this recipe. Thank you all so much for sharing our recipes, and we'll see you next time.